Hello, Primary 4. How are you today? This is our time of science session. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Today, in concept number 4, energy and collision. What is this? Do you know what is this? This is wrecking ball. The wrecking ball. What about wrecking ball? What do you think? This wrecking ball is heavy or light? Very good, it's heavy. And what do you think? This wrecking ball is made of plastic or steel? Very good. It's made of steel as it's very heavy. And now, wrecking ball is heavy steel ball, swings on a cable. And what's the importance of this wrecking ball? It helps building workers knock down or destroy the walls or parts of building. Helps building workers to knock down the walls or parts of building, as it's very heavy steel ball. And now, what happens to objects when they crash or collide with other objects? What happens? There is big damage. More damage. Let's know, does the energy transfer from the faster car or the slower car? What do you think? The energy transfers from the faster or slower? Excellent. The energy transfer from the faster car or the faster object to the slower object. And now, which object causes more damage? We have train and car, and this is dangerous accident or dangerous collision. What about the damage? More damage from which one? From the object with more or less energy? Excellent, from the train, which has more energy. So, the object with more energy causes more damage. And what about the mass of train? Large or small mass? Large mass. So, the object that has larger mass or heavier causes more damage. Very good. And now, do you know forms of energy which transferred during the collision? We have accidents now, and what do you think? Forms of energy which transferred during the collision or this accident. Excellent. Sound energy, heat energy, and light energy. Very good. Some of the transferred energy is in the form of heat, light, or sound energy. And now, which car causes the greater kinetic energy? Which car causes the greater kinetic energy? With the greater speed. Excellent. The car which has greater or has high speed causes greater kinetic energy or more kinetic energy. Very good. And now, collision in cricket game. Do you know cricket game? Let's know collision or what happened in cricket game. There is contact between the bat and the ball in cricket game. This player holds the bat in his hand in this game, and there is contact between the bat and the ball. And now, what do you think? The energy transferred from the bat or the ball? Super, from the bat. The energy transfers from the bat to the ball. And now, what do you think? The speed of the ball increases or decreases? Excellent. The speed of the ball increases. And does the ball move in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Very good. In the opposite direction. The ball will move in the opposite direction. And now with car safety equipment. In car, we have safety equipment like car seat belt. Car seat belt is very, very important. But why? If the car stops suddenly, what will happen? You will move forward or backward? Very good, you will move forward. So, car seatbelt is very, very important. Why? As to keep you away or to keep you from moving forward. When you are in car and the car stops suddenly, your body will move forward. So the importance or function of seatbelt is keeping our body from moving forward or backward. Excellent, from moving forward. And now with airbag, our second car safety equipment. We have two cars. The first one or the old one without airbag and the modern one with airbag. And now during accident, what do you think? Which one is better? The car with airbag or the car without airbag? Excellent, with airbag, as airbag protect us during accident inside the car. So airbag is very, very important. What is the material of airbag and where it is inside the car? The airbag is thin nylon material, is made of thin nylon material. And this airbag may be inside steering wheel, seat, dashboard or door. And now, how does it work? You know, how does it work? During collision, it blows up with gas automatically. Blows up like balloon with gas automatically. And after collision, the gas gets out through the holes or pores inside airbag, so we can get out from the car. After collision, the gas gets out from airbag through holes or pores to help us to go out or get out from the car. And now, energy and collision. Do you know what is the meaning of collision? Is crashing of two objects into each other. The collision is crashing of two objects into each other. And now, what will happen if a boy is running down the street, hits a traffic sign like this car? What about the energy this boy has during running down the street? Excellent, kinetic energy. And what do you think? The energy will transfer from the boy to traffic sign or from traffic sign to the boy? Very good. The energy will transfer from the boy to the traffic sign. And what about the kinetic energy of this boy? Will it change into what? During collision you can listen to sound energy. Excellent. So some of kinetic energy of this boy will it change into sound energy. Very good. And now, what happened if two cars collided head on with each other? Head on, like in this picture, we have two cars collided head on with each other. What will happen if two of the two cars collided head on with each other? The force exerted from the accident depends on the speed of one car or the speed of both cars or two cars. Excellent, the speed of both cars. So the damage would be much or more hard or much or more severe. Will be very dangerous or very hard. And now, the effect of mass on collision. Which one causes more damage during the collision? We have truck and car. They have the same what? Excellent, the same speed, as the speed of truck equal 80 km per hour and the speed of car equal 80 km per hour. But which one causes more damage? The truck or car? Very good, the truck. But why? Super, as the car has more mass. Very good, the truck caused more damage during the collision as the truck has more mass. And now we have truck and car. Do you know which one needs more fuel? Very good, the truck needs more fuel. So it has more kinetic energy. Very good. But this car takes less fuel, so it gains or has less kinetic energy. So our explanation, by increasing the mass of the car, it needs bigger or smaller engine. Very good, bigger engine. And the car takes or consumes more fuel. Very good. So it gains more kinetic energy and it causes more damage during the collision. So the car, which has more mass, has bigger engine and consumes or takes more fuel and has more kinetic energy and causes more damage, like this truck. And now, which one causes more damage during the collision? Bicycle or the train? Excellent, the train causes more damage during the collision. But why? As the train has more mass, so it has more kinetic energy and it causes more damage. Very good. And now, this is the end of our session. Did you like it? Very good. Thank you, my lovely students. See you soon. Bye bye.